If you are anything like me, you are here because you like waterfalls and because you like to support this YouTube channel. So thank you very much, and I do hope you enjoy watching this video about Shiraito Falls. It is actually a short walk of the waterfalls, but the views were beautiful and it was a very cool day. So please enjoy this video.
You video me video you. Yes. Shiraito Falls. Beautiful landscape. Over there. Hi. What do I want to wish for? Yeah.
After the climb.
If you know me, you know some love my belly, and one thing, me have to get food. I have to get food anywhere I go. So down below here there were a lot of stores where you can buy souvenirs and food, or just some very basic snacks really.
Food time, food time, food time, food time, food time.
Samui desu. 2 roast corn, please. Hi. Hi. Yeah, one for me, one for you. Arigato.
暑いからもうすぐこもってね。だってね。はい、わかりました。かなり暑いですよ。はい、わかりました。
Do you have butter?
As you can see from this video, we got some corn, and then afterwards I got a red bean paste, I think it was, yeah. And then I saw apple vanilla ice cream and had to go get myself some apple vanilla ice cream, and it was delicious. So somehow we live with life in a tank or in a cage, just to end up in a fire like that. Smell the food. If you watch this video to the end, thank you very much for sticking around, and more video will be uploaded soon, so please turn on your notification bell for more to come.